Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Moneymaker001. If you are new to this channel, just press the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I create videos about make money online, affiliate marketing as well as online business. So if you are new to this channel, just prefer to press the subscribe button so you will get videos on this channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can make a landing page absolutely for free, a professional landing page, how it is created. Whatever landing pages you have seen on internet, you can create such a landing page absolutely for free. So this is available on internet. So today I'm going to show you how to make it. So first of all, you just have to go to this website which is known as bitlanding.com. Okay, this is the website from where you can create professional free landing page, and that's very simple, that's very easy. This is a full tutorial. I'm going to guide you until the end how you can create a landing page using this website. Now what are the benefits of this website? You just have a drag and drop method to create landing page on this, just like point to click, preview and test, as well as many other features. You can also integrate your email system in this and block elements, as well as email integration is also available, and you can use this absolutely for free. So first of all, what you have to do, if you don't have an account, just create an account. I already have created an account, so I'm going to log into it. Once you click on the login, you will be asked for a landing domain. Okay, if you don't have your own domain, you can create a landing domain. For example, we will make here super affiliates 001. Okay, and just choose the subdomain. Okay, now you are ready. Now you just have, I have already signed in my account, so I can just go and create a landing page. Now after you have signed in your account, you just have to click here and create a new landing page. That's simple. Give name a page. For example, for now we will be giving affiliate system. Okay, this is just for example. I am giving this landing page a name. Okay, and just click on create your page. Okay, so it's done. Sorry for the internet is a bit slow, but it would be fine. So it's loading up. So now what you have to do is drag and drop blocks. Okay, so you can see here are some of the headers. Just click on the headers and you can just drag and drop it here. See, the header came. Okay, now you want a footer. Okay, just now click on this back button, and now we want some contents. Okay, just place one of this. Okay, this one would be fine, so we will place it over here. So here a content came. You can edit all this stuff as much as your wish. Okay, as you wish. Okay, then hit again the back, go to contact and then footer. Okay, we will be adding a footer to this page, so we will be using this one. Okay, so then that's placed. Okay, so all this is ready. This is our company name. We just have to replace this with an image, whatever image we want to add. Okay, just click on this change image and you can select any of the image which we will be placing over logo. Okay, so where is our logo? Okay, so this is our logo which we will be placing, and you just have to click on upload, and here at the page name is that AFFILIATE. Okay, and just click on OK, and see slowly this image will be changed, and just click on change image, cancel, and you just have to add this save changes. Okay, so our logo came here. Okay, now you can edit all this stuff what have been written here. Just click on this and you can replace and write it. Okay, now you have to write this is my best affiliate teaching course. Okay, so this is how you write it. Just you can here make a landing page according to your thing. However you are thinking, whatever you want to make, you can just do it all easy stuff over here. Just drag and drop whatever you want in this page, and you can do all this stuff. See, here you can add images as well as you can write our stuff, or if you want to remove something, you just have this delete button, so you can remove this. For example, see how this I removed that template which I didn't like. Okay, so that's simple. All you have to do is go to contents and you can place whatever content you have to place here. Then go to headers and you can choose any of the header. For example, we will be replacing our header with this. Okay, so a new header came, so here we have to name our company, write the name of our company and everything you just have to give it. Okay, and if you want something like, for example, email collection, okay, so if you want to collect someone emails, you can use this header over here. Okay, it's simple. You just have to place your logo over here, just upload it, just go to this files and you can upload your logo. So once a minute. Okay, then this is what we are doing. Just keep on editing it. Okay, that's simple, that's easy how you do it your stuff. Okay, simply drag and drop. You can here go to page settings, you have SEO as well as analytics, scripts, everything is available here. So if you want to add your email marketing software or any stuff like that, you can do it. Okay, just click and drag and drop. See, this is how simple it is. Just drag and drop here. All you have to do, whatever you want to edit is, you can just click over here and edit whatever you want to edit in the way you want. And you can even add your link. For example, on this try now, if I want to add a link, I would just click on this and I would add my link here. For example, google.com and just save changes. Okay, then that is done. All you have to do is just this much and just go to save page. After you save page, your page has been saved and really your landing page is ready. Whatever editing you want to do in this, you can simply easily do it with drag and drop method. Here are some of the editing options such as write something, remove something. All these options are available in this page, so you can do it simply easily. You can add price tables as well. Whatever you want to add, all these things are already ready-made available over here, and you can preview page. After once you have created the page, you can just preview it over here. The page has been unpublished. Okay, first I have to publish this page. So what you have to do is just do and create whatever stuff you want to create and then just save the page. Okay, then save page, and here you have to click on publish page and then save page. Okay, and now you can just preview this page also. See, once I have published this page and this is my page ready. You can make all this editing over here. I have not edited this page right now, but you can do all this stuff over here. It's simple drag and drop. So this is the website which you can use to create landing pages absolutely for free, and this is a great website which you can use over here, bitlanding.com. So if you like this video, like my content, then just press the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. I bring content just like this every single day, for which will help you to do affiliate marketing absolutely for free, as well as paid marketing. Also, I will be bringing videos on paid methods on how to do affiliate marketing also. So stay tuned, because more and more awesome content is coming up on this channel, and just press the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay affiliate market, and just take action and start your affiliate.